Quick little unboxing of the Dewalt 150cc self-powered. That lawnmower in the back went to put. So, time to open this one up. Cost me $4.25 if I'm not mistaken. I just paid for it. I'm hot. Tuck her up. It's in there nice. It has a little mulch bag on there. Little 4-cycle engine oil. Hello. 4-cycle engine oil. And then a little mulch bag. Okay. So the mulch bag is over there. I personally don't use these because my yard's big. It tends to fill up real quick. And then here it is. It's supposed to be how do you call it? Self-propelled. So I'm gonna put it together, put the oil in, take it for a spin. So of course I already started it off camera, but I'm gonna start it again. With this, it had a little bit of oil in it, but you're gonna need to add a little bit more oil, and you gotta put fuel to it. So after you put everything together, hold down on this. And it's ready to go. All right, talk to you guys later. Have a good evening.